Yes, good morning. Today the topic is advanced manufacturing technology in the grinding process. The grinding is the most common for abrasive machining purpose. It is a material cutting process which engage the abrasive tool whose cutting element or grains or abrasive material known as grits. These grits are characteristics by the sharp cutting points, high hardness, chemical stability, and wear resistance. The grids are held together by a suitable bonding material give the shape of abrasives. The different type of the grinding wheels is available based on the material. Selection of the grinding wheel is very important. The grinding wheel selection is important. Is first is the material hardness of grinding wheels and grid size, grain size. These are the very important in grinding wheel selections. Major advantages application of grinding. The grinding will require the two types of specification: dimensional accuracy and good surface finish. The good form and locational accuracy applicable both hardened and unhardened materials. Suppose if we want to remove the unwanted material, we can use the rough grinding wheel for our required purpose. Suppose the material is high hardness, we should select the good surface finishing grinding wheels. The grind size is closestly needed. Grid size is also high graded. These are the main in grinding operations. Applications: surface finishing, slitting and potting, descaling, deburring, stock removal, finishing, flat cylindrical grinding, and grinding of tools and cutters, resharpenings are the same. The grinding machines are also regarded the machine tools. A distinguishing features of grinding machine is the rotating abrasive wheels. A maximum RPM of grinding wheel 3000 RPM to 6000 mostly. Cutting tools purpose, cutting tool sharpening and resharpening purpose, the standard RPM 3000. In cylindrical grindings, the maximum RPM 3 to 6000 RPM. The grinding machine is employed to obtain high accuracy along with the very high classes of surface finish of workpiece. However, advent a new generation of grinding wheels and grinding machines characterized by their rigidity, power and speed enables one to go for high efficiency and deep grindings, oftenly called abrasive milling, of not only hardened material but also ductile materials. The conventional grinding machines can be broadly classified into four types. The first one is a surface grinding machine, second one is a cylindrical grinding machines, third one is a internal grinding machines, last one is a tool cutter grinding machines. Surface grinding machine. The main purpose of surface grinding is removing the required metal with high accuracy purpose. They are selected the surface grinding machines because the round shape cannot be finish or forming in the longitudinal surface grinding machines. In surface grinding machines, spindle position horizontal or vertical types are available. The long type of plates and long type of tools lengthwise, they can making a surface finish by using the grinding machines. These are the surface grinding machines purpose. The wheel head we can adjust up and down, column is fixed, bed is supported to others, the feed and saddle workpiece keys handles are available. These are the work table, this is a wheel guard. The both are differentiated by differentiated colors. Cylindrical grinding, this operation external or internal cylindrical surface grinding workpiece are ground. The external cylindrical grinding, also center type grinding, the workpiece rotate and reciprocates along this axis, although for a large and long work parts the grinding wheel reciprocates. In internal cylindrical grinding, a small wheel grind the inside the diameter of the part. The workpiece is held in rotating chuck in the headstock and the wheel rotate at the very high rotational speed. In this operation, the workpiece rotate and grinding wheel reciprocates. These are the examples of surface grindings. Cross feed, this is a grinding wheels, this is a workpiece, both all revolving. This is a work part and a grinding wheel cross feed in inside the grinding, internal grindings. These are the internal grinding machines. A is a rotating of grinding wheel, B is a workpiece rotations, C is reciprocating on the workpiece, D is in feed.